Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a perspective view in Revit. But before you start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want more tutorials like this. Let's go. First of all, go to your plan view, click on the View tab, 3D View, Camera. Now you click where you would be positioned and where you're looking at. Automatically, Revit creates a view. I would suggest that every time you create a new view, just rename, so you keep track what you're creating. Now, if we see both screens at the same time, you can click on your crop view, and you can see in your plan your field of view. You can adjust this view, enlarging, and you can see it correspond on plan. You can do on both sides, below, top. Also, you can notice you have, if you click on this view, you can drag the direction. You can see there is a gap here because you're not seeing this corner. And you can choose the depth. If I position the depth before the counter, you're not seeing this on plan. Also, if I click on the view and I delete, the view automatically deletes from my browser. That's it. Thank you.